Hello and welcome to the Tata Motors family. As a proud owner of the Tata Ace EV, India's first and only four-wheel electric cargo mobility vehicle, you already know the Tata Ace EV's incredible potential. Today, we're going to dive into some fantastic tips that will not only make your electric journey smoother, but also more exciting. So, fasten your seatbelt and let's explore. Whenever you find yourself in the driver's seat of your Tata Ace EV, eager to harness its full power, here's the secret: drive smoothly. There's no need to stomp on that accelerator pedal. Our EVs react instantly to your gentle touch, so enjoy a seamless glide with ease. The sweet spot for range in a Tata Ace EV is typically between 40 to 60 km per hour, perfect for city driving. So, take it easy, enjoy the comfort, and watch that range meter go the extra kilometer. Here is where the fun begins. Regenerative braking is our secret weapon. Just lift your foot off the accelerator pedal and voila, you are slowing down and gaining range. Keep it simple. Extra weight means extra battery drain. So resist the urge to load up your Tata Ace EV with accessories you don't really need. Keep to your service schedule and you'll not only extend your Tata Ace EV's life but also maximize its range. It's a win-win. Now that you've got the hang of driving your Tata Ace EV smoothly and efficiently, let's delve into some charging wisdom to keep that electric excitement going. Did you know that you can charge your Tata Ace EV at home as well with your 16 ampere 3-pin plug point with proper earthing? Isn't that super convenient? But you should avoid using extension cords or boxes. Additionally, we've got you covered with a fast charging option, allowing your Tata Ace EV to be fully charged in just 105 minutes whenever you need it. Remember to charge your Tata Ace EV at least once a week to 100% and only disconnect it once you spot the green icon on your instrument cluster. Charging should always happen with the parking brake lever engaged. Don't mess around with the park brake or any switches while charging. Charging your Tata Ace EV is like giving it a supercharge of energy. But remember, a well-maintained Tata Ace EV is a happy Ace EV. Now let's explore some vital do's and don'ts for your electric journey. Your Tata Ace EV's battery is a treasure. For peak performance, you must maintain a minimum of 10% charge on your battery and never let it dip below this level. When anticipating a brief rest of up to 7 days, ensure the state of charge on your Tata Ace EV is between 40 to 50%. And for added protection, park your Tata Ace EV in a shed or under cover to ensure your charger enjoys a long, healthy life. After use, carefully stow it back into the care pack. Always keep it covered and shielded from dust, sunlight, moisture and rain. Your charger will thank you. Washing your Tata Ace EV? Fantastic. But keep those high-pressure washers away from the underbody, electrical bits and connectors. We don't want water causing any mischief. EVs are special. Get them serviced or repaired at Tata Motors authorized EV workshops where the magic happens. Prior to setting off on your journey, verify your state of charge right on your instrument cluster. Make sure your Tata Ace EV is adequately charged for the adventure. If you accidentally hit the emergency button under the front seat, don't worry. Rotate the emergency switch, switch off the ignition, and then switch it on 3 times consecutively. Wait for 30 seconds before restarting your Tata Ace EV. If the issue persists, reach out to a Tata Motors EV workshop via the toll-free number. That's it for our tips. For more details and information, don't forget to dive into your owner's manual. We wish you safe and exciting travels with your Tata Ace EV.